Hi everyone, my name is Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha. So, in yesterday class, we have 1 minute. Yeah, so in yesterday class, I was showing you all guys that how to install PyEnv and we are getting error. So, that error was we are not getting that intentionally I did so that you people also do some research and will explain. So the reason why we are getting that error because window by default not support PyEnv. Okay, so we have to do some modification and then only we can do. So in this video, first we will understand what is PyEnv, why PyEnv is important, problem without PyEnv, how to install PyEnv on Windows, and how to manage multiple Python versions. So please watch it till the end. So first let's understand what problem PyEnv actually solves. Okay, and PyEnv is what is PyEnv? So PyEnv is a Python version manager. Means it will help us to install, switch and manage multiple Python version on the same system. Normally Windows allow only one Python versions, but in the real project different applications need different Python versions. So let's say one project needs Python 3.8 and another project needs Python 3.11. So without PyEnv, this becomes very difficult. But with py.env, we can switch Python versions in seconds. So this is why PyEnv is used in industry. So we understand that why PyEnv is important. Now, next question which came in our mind that why PyEnv is important? Because PyEnv is important because it avoids version conflicts and it saves times because we can switch in seconds from one version to another, and it makes development clean and it is very useful in DevOps and automation projects. Even I use PyEnv to manage Python version across projects. So I will show you one error which we used to get when you will check PyEnv in your system. That see, if you will check PyEnv versions, so you will get that it is not recognized as the name, like that kind of error you will get. So many students thinks that this is the installation error or it is actually a path issue, not a PyEnv issue. But Windows needs to know where PyEnv is installed and what is done using environment variable. So first you will go and search environment variable, open it, go to the environment variable and here user variable for Varsha and whatever your name will be there it will show. If you'll go in the path, just double click it, here you will get py.env bin shmis. So if this thing is there in your system, it's fine. If it is not there, we have to set it. Okay, how? That I will show you. Okay, second thing is PyEnv home or root. This also should be there. Don't touch system variable, touch only user variable. Okay, so Windows block PowerShell script by default for security reasons. So this is called execution policy. So to avoid that, we can use this command. Okay, set execution policy -scope process -execution policy bypass, because we have to bypass the execution policy because by default PowerShell or any Windows will not help. So that only I was talking in the starting, that by default it is not there, we have to bypass it. Okay, once you will run this command you will get some error, but that error only we want. After that you just run this command. Okay, if you'll run then it, it will again give the error. Then next time again, this process we have to do. First you have to run this, then you will this command set execution policy, this line, first line, you will get error. Then you have to run this, then again you will get error. Then again you have to run this, and then next time again you have to do two times we have to do, and this time it will work. Now you again we have to open cmd or PowerShell, and we have to type python pyenv hyphen hyphen version. So use only if one option one is blocked, okay. But then you will get like you have to just open it with as an administrator and then run power, okay. If you will run, then you will get something. And like see, if it is not coming, then you have to run one command. Let me show you. Write pyenv einstall install. For example, you can write 3.11.7. then you will see pyenv is downloading and installing Python, and then you will get two value, which I also get this two value. So by running like the, and again that is restricted, that's why we have to just bypass it. It's so simple, but we have to understand first why we are getting the error. So after running this, see here it is written, like I told you in starting, if you'll write window R and type sysdm.cpl, okay, and if you'll go to the advanced environment variable, and if this path is not there, like pyenv home, pyenv root, or in this path if pyenv is not there, how we can set, let me explain that also. So first confirm pyenv file is exist or not. So run this like dir home. So if I will run this command, okay, 1 minute, I will show you guys so that you will get clear. If I am going to run this command, okay, this system cannot find the file specified, okay. So if you see the folder like this, installation did happen, then proceed to the second. But why it was not showing? Because I didn't open with run as an administrator. Let me do one thing. See, if we'll open with run as an administrator, you will see this folder. But if you are not getting but if you are getting, and if you are does not exist, then installer didn't complete it. And then if it is not happened, then tell me, I will give you manual zip installation and I will help you. You can comment in the comment box. Next step is add pyenv path manual most reliable. So open window R variable, type sysdm.cpl. I showed you, go to the advanced environment variable, under user variable path, edit 3 lines. So this you just copy it, okay. Same thing you have to do. Again let me show you, window R, this line you have to copy, okay, and go to the advanced environment variable, and see, you no need to change system variable. Again and again I'm saying, don't touch this. Go and where what it is showing, advanced environment variable, under user variable path, edit. So path, you will just go here and see if this option is there, fine. If it is not there, click on new and you have to write manually, okay. All this path you have to add, and then okay, from here you have to click, here you have to click, and here you have to click, and then you have to restart everything, okay. Everything means your full system you need to restart. First thing is close all this PowerShell or CMD. Okay, and open new PowerShell. Okay, and if it is not working, I will advise you better to restart your system also. And then if you will verify py.env, you will see this version, because this path is important, but if it is not there, you have to set it manually. That I showed you how. 1 minute. Yeah, so this is the thing. So I hope you enjoyed this session and you understand the importance of PyEnv, how to install and do everything. So thank you for watching Study with Varsha. Have a great day.